Hello everyone. Well, there is a chance of rain in southeast Nebraska today, but it's not going to be a washout. In fact, I'm not convinced everyone is going to see rain because we are just talking about isolated showers and storms. That said, I do think there's going to be just enough activity where it's a good idea to carry the umbrella today just in case one of these isolated showers or storms moves over you. You might not need the umbrella, but I think you'll be happy you have it if you do need it. And I will say it's a little bit more likely that you're going to need the umbrella during the morning hours today than the afternoon. Let's start at 8 a.m. as the polls open up and perhaps as you're making your way to work or school. Isolated showers around, but notice the gaps. Not a guarantee you're going to see rain, but the chance is there. I do have to mention it. Already breezy out there early this morning, and by the time we get to lunchtime, it's just going to be windy. Gusts around 30 miles per hour, and it's going to stay windy through the afternoon. And right now, it's looking like 11 a.m. noon is our best chance of rain. And notice, even at 11 a.m. noon, not everyone's seeing rain. It's still just isolated activity, but this looks like the relative peak. Now, it's mostly going to be showers, but could there be a couple of thunderstorms? Not going to rule that out. That's what's indicated by that little bit of yellow and orange showing up. Mostly showers, but a couple thunderstorms are a possibility. Look what happens when we get to 2 o'clock, though. Already past the peak of the activity and transitioning more to just stray showers at this point. Let's take a look at 5 o'clock. Making your way home from work and perhaps hitting the polls after work. Just a couple of showers. I think more dry than seeing rain. And as far as temperatures go today, not too bad. You know, normal high temperatures would be in the mid-50s. Instead, we're going to be in the upper 50s to perhaps the low 60s, particularly in the southwestern part of the area. 8 o'clock, polls closing down. And I don't think it's going to be completely dry yet, but I do think it's probably going to be a couple of showers around, and that's it. And I think by 11 o'clock, the rain chance over with, so we jump ahead to tomorrow morning, 8 a.m., and it's going to be completely dry for the morning commute. And look at these mild temperatures. Remarkably warm at 8 a.m. in the morning for this time of year. We're talking about temperatures in the low to mid 60s. Still breezy out there. And then probably the biggest story for tomorrow is how windy it's going to get in the afternoon, probably already beginning around lunchtime. We could already see gusts reaching around 40 miles per hour. So really got to call it very windy in the afternoon tomorrow. But also warm. Now, still dry at 11 a.m., but I do think there's going to be a brief period where we could see a few showers. I mean, I think there's going to be even less than what we're going to see today. We are just talking about a few stray showers that could work over us during the early afternoon, but I do think most of us are going to be staying dry. And look at high temperatures tomorrow. How about the low to mid 70s? You know, it would be an excellent day if not the strong winds that we're going to be seeing around 40 miles per hour. And then look at 5 o'clock. The chance for those stray showers already going away and still warm. Now, I do think rain is going to be coming back late Wednesday night, but the best chance of rain is looking like Thursday morning. That's when our next cold front is going to be pushing in.